Good morning, everybody. The time is right. We will have success anywhere, everywhere. This will not happen anymore. Don't believe. Don't believe. Not happen anymore. But you can make success. Simple formula. You can use the seconds. Both work and memory must be connected in a single second. You will make success. That's it. The time and success travel with you. The clock should not be in your hand. It should be within you. You should feel the difference between seconds and minutes. Do not think that wake up early is enough. Your success depends on how you use the seconds you have. The seconds that are wasted will determine your success seconds. Only the discipline of time can show you the right path. You do not need to answer to anyone, but must be answer the unused seconds. Because we put the blame on it, so don't waste your seconds, don't blame on seconds. Good morning begins here. Learn how to use those Learn how to use those seconds to be clear for your success, as well as practice the upcoming seconds. Good morning, everybody.